Problem: a weight exerts force of 100 Newton on a steel wire of cross-sectional area 0.02 centimeter square. Find extension produced if the length of the wire is 5 meter. The Young's modulus Y is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square. Analysis. Before taking the steps to solve the problem, let us analyze it. This problem is related to the topic of elasticity. The problem deals with extension of wire and the force applied to it. The Hooke's law relates the stress and strain, which subsequently involves force and extension. Therefore, we will use Hooke's law to solve this problem. The Hooke's law states that Y is equal to stress upon strain, and that is equal to a force divided by cross-sectional area and the whole divided by extension in the wire and divided by length of the wire. The four values given in the problem are applied force F equal to 100 Newton, cross-sectional area of the wire A equal to 0.02 centimeter square, length of the wire L equal to 5 meter, and Young's modulus Y equal to 2 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square. The equation of Young's modulus involves 5 variables, namely Y, F, capital A, small l, and capital L. Hence, substituting the given values into the equation, we get the required answer. Solution. Now let us take the necessary steps to solve the problem. First, we write the equation for Young's modulus, namely Y equal to stress upon strain, that is equal to force divided by cross-sectional area and the whole divided by extension in the wire divided by length of the wire. Rewriting this equation, we get extension in the wire equal to force into length of the wire divided by Young's modulus into cross-sectional area. Substituting the values of F, L, Y and A, we get extension small l equal to 100 into 5, the whole divided by 2 into 10 raised to 11 into 0.02 into 10 raised to minus 4, and solving this we get the extension of the wire as L equal to 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Thus, we have solved the problem and obtained the required value of extension of the wire.